Domain settings is another thing that you might want to get help with. And again, I am here to help you if you need that. GoHighLevel will integrate directly with Cloudflare and I believe GoDaddy. If your domain is at any other place, then you will need to know how to log into your domain, copy the DNS settings that GoHighLevel gives you, and then paste them into the domain settings in your domain account. Go to settings and then go down to domains. You'll land right here. I have 2 domains connected here. However, I do have some subdomains set up. And all a subdomain is something.yourdomain.com, and it's just a setting within the DNS. There's nothing magical about it. It's literally just a setting. So I have platform.premiumwebsite set up as a subdomain, and I have support.premiumwebsite set up as a subdomain. When you connect a domain, it gives you options here of where you want to connect the domain that you're adding. So on the support, you can see it is connected to my email. That is the subdomain that my emails get sent out on. Now, let's go ahead and add a completely new domain, and I'll show you how this works. Again, I have my domains at Cloudflare, and Cloudflare is integrated directly into GoHighLevel. So we're going to connect a new domain, and we're going to just hit connect right here, funnel website store blog. Now, GoHighLevel does give you like a temporary domain so you can create your websites, your blogs, whatever, before you actually connect a domain. So here's a domain that I purchased and I don't have anything on it at the moment. Go ahead and click continue. And the domain URL, see, I can't put it in here because it's already in there. And I also want to add the www. Yes, you always want to do that. And you want to hit continue. Now, if you're not at Cloudflare or GoDaddy, you want to add the record manually, and this tells you what your settings are. And there's a little video here you can watch if you want to do this yourself. If you want someone else to do it for you, you have a tech person, you want me to do it, you would need to tell us this information as well as the login for your domain account. So we're going to go back, and mine is on Cloudflare, and I like to buy domains from Cloudflare because they are probably about the cheapest one you can buy on a regular basis on the internet right now. You can find out what records would be added. Again, here's the same information, and click Authorize Domain, and it's going to log into my Cloudflare dashboard. It's going to add, it's going to ask me to log in. This will be the same process for GoDaddy. And it's telling us exactly what's going to be added, and then you have to click Authorize. And then we need to type this in. We're going to authorize that, and it's going to go through its little process, and it takes a little bit of time for it to actually add the records that needs to be added and then have it work through the system. It's not like an instantaneous thing. So we will sit here and I will be right back. Once it is done, you can link that domain to wherever you want to link it to, and then you can set a 404 error page if you want, and then you just click proceed to finish. That is how you add a domain.